Click yes. Go to node 1, click on this. Minimize this one. Okay, so node 1 is there. So now currently go to the firewall dot CPL. So it is now shutting down, no problem. I think it got restarted now. No problem, we'll see. See, successfully restarted. So it is node 1 is in restarting state and node 2. So I think it is always better to restart from inside virtual machine instead of restarting this virtual machine from the portal side. Why? Because if you consider VM is a container. On top of that, we are going to place a OS. Yep. So now restarting virtual machine has been for both node 1 and node 2 has been completed successfully. Now we are good. Click on node 1 and click on node 2. Minimize this one. Open run command, type firewall.cpl, click OK. Turn off this one. Okay. So now open your properties, click this PC, properties, click change settings. By default, all systems are in work group. Change, type here abc.com. Okay, now here you need to enter the domain IP address. So domain username. Okay, SQL admin@abc.com. Give the password. Okay, click OK. Yeah, this has been completed successfully. Click close. Click close. Okay, another way, if you want to see the firewall, let's see the firewall. Yeah, domain firewall is also there. Click turn off, and you are good to restart now. Again, go back to node 2. Don't click on this. Minimize this one. Okay, now type run command, type firewall dot cpl. Okay, minimize this. You can restart later. Again, go add firewall. So not yet, it is not yet added. Let's see. Either it will show after restart. Sometimes it will start after refresh only. So before going to log in here, so what we need to do here is click close. So now it is a part of domain. So that's the reason we have to always log in with the domain privileges. Come here. So the user is already there with the SQL admin. So type abc.com here, just added. It means the user with the domain user, we are going to log in the node 1. Click OK. Do the same thing. Sorry. properties rate of abc.com. Okay. Now click on node 1 and node 2. Type firewall.cpl. So all three are turned off in node 1. Coming to node 2, type firewall.cpl. So I need to turn off the domain. Click OK. So let's check this the same settings in the DC as well. Minimize this. Type firewall.cpl. So turn off, turn off, turn off. Okay. So as of now, uh, so as of now, I turn off all three domain public private firewalls in all three systems. Okay. Now open the documentation. Okay, the up to 9 points I have completed. Okay. Now I'm coming to create the virtual hard disk in the domain and assign to node 1. So go to this one, click on storage iSCSI, click on create disk. So I'm going to this for quorum. So I just quorum for quorum 5 GB is enough. Fixed size. Click next. New is the target server for what? Cluster. Okay. Click next. Click add here. So click browse here. Type node 1. Click OK. Click OK. So once you added all the respective target servers, click next. So this is not required for us. Click next. Click create. So in this step, what I have done is I have created a virtual hard disk with 5 GB and I have given those node 1 and node 2 to get connect for that hard disk. Yeah, completed. Click close. Come here and type refresh. So right now it is not yet connected. Now again go to create virtual hard disk. Click create and give one more cluster 01. So we are going to 2 build cluster, right? For that purpose I am giving this. Now type 20 GB fixed size. Click next. Okay, I am going to create one more hard disk. Cluster 02. Click next. Again 20 GB fixed size. Create. When completed, just click close. Okay, click refresh. So as of now, all three are not yet connected. So clear all the, click refresh. So here, so while assigning the disk letters, you will get confused. Why? Because this is 20 GB and this is 20 GB. So to avoid that, I'm going to click extend the virtual hard disk with 5 GB. Okay. Yeah. Now this disk is 5 GB, this disk is 20 GB, and this disk is 25 GB. So click refresh. As of now, all our status are not get connected. Now click on node 1, minimize this, now close this. Okay. Now uh, go to server manager, click on tools, type select ISKC initiator. So as of now, the service is not running. So better you, one of the best practices, go to services.msc. Here select select ISKC initiator. Okay, right now this is a manual. So but we need to select this as a automatic. Let's do that. Manage, click refresh. Okay, now open this one. So this automatically, when you press here, it automatically set up auto. If it is manual, so then you have to set this automatically. Okay. Now type the domain private IP address. I have named this. Copy this one, paste it here. Click connect. Done. Close. Do the same in Node 2. Open your server manager. Click on tools. Type ISKC initiator. Select click yes. Paste the IP. Click connect. Done. Close it. Now come to DC. Just refresh here. Here all should be get connected. Click refresh. Yep. See connected, connected, connected. Okay. Minimize this one. Go to node 1. Go to server manager. Click on tools. Click on computer management. Click on disk. Select all the GPT only. Click OK. Okay. 5 is like new span volume. Click. Like next. This is a query browser. For that purpose, I am selecting Q. Next NTFS. Default is 4. Next. Click finish. Do the same thing in click disk management. Select TBT. Select the 5 GB. Click new simple volume. Click next. Next. Select the E drive. Sorry, Q drive. Next. 64-bit. Next. Close.